Hello friends, welcome to Code Crush Coding. Have you ever imagined what happens when an important MySQL table suddenly gets corrupted and you can no longer access your data? So in this video, I will show you a simple example of a corrupted MySQL table and how we can repair that table using a Stellar repair for MySQL. So it is an important application or software which is used to recover the corrupted table. So let's get started. So here I have a schema called demo. Inside this demo, I have various tables. So let's first use the schema demo. So I will execute this query. So this query is triggered now. So we are inside this schema demo. Now the table that I'm going to show you is the EMP demo. If I say select star from EMP demo, so I will get all the records that are available inside this table. So basically there are 4 columns and there are 8 entries in this table, 8 rows. Correct? So this is the data that we have inside this EMP demo table. Now consider a situation where this EMP demo gets corrupted and you are no longer able to access the data here. Now if I try to access the table EMP demo, MySQL is no longer able to read the table correctly. So if I try to execute this query, so earlier we were getting the records from this EMP demo table, but now we are getting the error. What does the error say? The error code 1030 got error file too short. So basically our data is corrupted now. So this table is no longer accessible from MySQL Workbench. So instead of manually trying to recover the damaged table, I am going to use Stellar Repair for MySQL. So this tool is designed to repair corrupted MySQL databases and recover tables and their data. So to download the Stellar Repair for MySQL, you need to go to the site. I will provide the link in the description. From this website, you can directly download the application. Here we have the free download button. You can click here and try to install the application. If you don't want to install the application and want to do it online without downloading the application, you can use the newly launched MySQL database repair online. So you need to visit on this website, okay? And once you go on this website, you have here options to repair the MySQL table. It supports up to 500 MB of data table free without any subscription. For this video, I have already downloaded the Stellar Info MySQL Repair. So I will open that application. This is my application here, Stellar Repair for MySQL. I will click on open. Now the application is open. So once you open the application, the first pop-up that you will receive is this particular pop-up which says click browse button to select the data folder you want to repair. So we need to repair our table called EMP demo. So first we need to identify at which location this table is present. So you can identify or find the location using a query. So this is a query, show variables like data directory. So this query, once I execute this query here, so here you can identify the path. So for me, the path is C program data MySQL, MySQL Server 8.0 and data. So I need to browse to this particular folder. In similar way, you can check your path and browse to that particular folder. C program data MySQL, MySQL Server 8.0 data. So data's folder I have selected. Then I will click on OK. So see, now all the database data present in this particular folder, we are able to see those. For our table, it was present inside this demo schema, right? So I will select that particular demo only. Now what this application will do, this application will scan the selected location and identify the available database and tables. So inside this schema, it will identify all the tables. So once I click on repair, see, all the tables which are available inside this demo scheme are available here. Employee, my employee, employees demo, and EMP demo. So our corrupted table was EMP demo. So here we are getting the message selected database repaired successfully. So I will click here OK. Now our concern is related to this table. So let me select only this table EMP demo. And if I double click on it, see, we were not able to see the data, but now we are able to get the data using MyStellar application, which has recover or repaired our table. So here you have section called table data and also the properties. Properties will provide all the information about your column names, data type, size, null values, and primary key, all those details. Okay. Other things also you can do. You can save this table. Once you recover the table, you can save it. So how to do this? You can click on save. So you will get this save database option. So here we have multiple options like MySQL, MariaDB, CSV, XLS, HTML, SQL script. So I will suggest you to use the SQL script because it is easier to recover later. So if I click on SQL script, then there is an option for the destination path. So I can click any path that I want. So let's say I want to have it inside documents. So I will have it inside documents. So saving process completed. Now if I will check inside the path whether the document has been saved. So see inside this path, the demo folder, we have this demo emp demo SQL. And if I click on this, let's say I want it to open with Notepad. So see, it has created all the SQL queries to recover your table. So if you are dealing with a corrupted MySQL database and need a recovery solution, Scalar Repair for MySQL is worth checking out. So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.